Harare, once known as the Sunshine City, the heartbeat of Zimbabwe's economy, a place where the CBD was home to banks, offices, and big retail stores. Take a walk down First Street today, you will see a different picture. Clothes are now hanging on verandas and shoes lined across corridors. You can hardly walk. The CBD is slowly transforming not into a modern financial hub, no, but an open-air marketplace with citizens trying to make a living. This is no longer the Harare you once knew. So embark with me on a journey as I show you the Harare of today. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if this is your first time watching my videos, this is your guy here, Joe Touch, the gray hoodie guy. So if you have seen the gray hoodie, then probably you would have seen me, because my relationship with this hoodie is inseparable. It's just like that of Harare and vendors. Once you mention Harare, the next thing should be vendors. Yes, vendors. So welcome to the family. Just make sure that you hit the subscribe button. It really helps this channel to grow and reach a wider audience. Leave a comment. Would like to hear from you. What do I mean by that? Okay, me and my hoodie, we would like to hear from you. So drop a comment if this is your first time, or even if you are a regular user, those who usually come here. You know the story. So let's get into it. So Harare today is not the same as the Harare many of us grew knowing. Everywhere you walk, it's malls after malls. Every 50 meters there is another one, let alone corridor vendors. Yo, it's hectic. Supermarkets that used to be large and organized are now divided into small stores, all squeezed together. If you know your Harare well, this place used to be the Food World that was opposite, the Food World supermarket that was opposite Joiner City, but now it's Island City. It's a mall. And then there's Stanley. They are everywhere, these malls. The only place that you won't find a mall is the area around the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe. Yeah, that area is still intact. But come 5 years time, I'm sure we'll be speaking of something else. The only building that won't be crowded with vendors or needs corridors will be the RBZ. Now let's talk about First Street. So First Street in Harare used to be glamorous, not this marketplace that it is turning out to be. I can't say this is transformation, but this is survival. People are trying to make a living. As you all know, the Zimbabwe's economy is not doing well currently, and everyone has turned into a vendor of some sort. Even those people with 8 to 5 jobs, they are also venturing into some hustles, trying to make ends meet, because this is the Zimbabwe of today. So if you remember well, First Street wasn't like this before, but it has turned into a marketplace. As you can see, there is shoes, all sorts of shoes. It's a wall shop, a wall supermarket, or I don't know, a boutique, on the corridors, yet there is jet here and more organized shops alongside. People are trying to make ends meet. That's the truth here. People are trying to survive. Now you can't even tell the difference between Mbare Musika and the Harare CBD. There is no difference. I guess maybe the difference is the tall buildings. Maybe. I don't know. What do you think about this situation? Can you drop a comment and let us know what you think?